Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Disney Plus. We click on settings. Here on this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we search about Disney Plus. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.